Welcome back to the Crypto Nest. So I just wanted to make an update on Bitcoin. I usually don't use the log here on the lower right part, but if you click on it, it's going to give you a log scale, and it does change the values. My God. And on the log chart, you can see that you can actually draw, since what was that, November of 2021. If you draw a line here, you can see that we actually perfectly break this downtrend, and then after we test it actually twice, and now we are going higher prices. So I believe that now we're going to make this fifth wave, and then more likely we're going to go and reach this previous resistance here, which is important, at 29,000. I don't really like to use the log chart because it kind of distort a little bit the price, in my opinion. But for long term, also, we can use it once in a while. No, I use it once in a while to see any favorable data or trends. So now we can clearly say that this was the wave 3 here, and I'm going to put it a little bit bigger. So this was the wave 3, and then we actually did a WXY, and the Y it did an A and a B and a C. And for a moment, I would consider that this is the first wave movement of the fifth wave. And so before I wasn't sure if this was the fifth wave. Now I'm pretty sure that this was not the fifth wave. And so I'm going to say that this is the fifth wave. Let's remember now, this green area box is the ideal target for the wave 5. I can go higher. And the blue box is the CMI gap. Sorry. So, and Bitcoin almost always go back on this level and close the gap. So I wouldn't be surprised if we go and reach this price, and about 21,000 there is that previous resistance that I showed you before. Now so more likely we're going to go and test somewhere here. Not sure if there was other weeks here. So this is the reason why we're expecting Bitcoin to go and retest the around 21,000, but definitely going back and close this gap, which is between 27,365 and 28,740. So ideally Bitcoin is going to make this fifth wave and then close this gap and go maybe even higher, but definitely has to, my opinion, go anyway. It will pass by there anyway, so there is no problem. Okay, so the other thing now, if I take this impulsive movement, let me go on the 1 hour. So if I take this impulsive movement since the beginning of this level, the Fibonacci retracement, we almost touch the, let me see if I did it properly, so maybe we already touch here a little bit higher, and here a little bit lower. Okay, so we missed it for I don't know how many. The low was 23,369. So we missed it for $20 up to now. But we will see how if it is not going because technically we're missing. This would be an A and a B, and we're missing a C. So maybe it's going to go in the ideal target for the wave 2. Let me draw a box here. So ideally issue the retrace in this level, and then reach higher prices. I'm going to put the box in green, and I'm going to leave it like this. Now if I check, well, we can see also in the 1 hour, the MACD now I think is it's going to make a bullish crossover. Actually, I already did it here on the RSI, and the RSI also, it's a 45, so it has fuel to go higher. And if I go on the 4 hours, 4 hours, yeah, we just did a bearish crossover in the MACD, but the RSI is still at 57, so we still have fuel to go. And then 1 day, which is the most important. So the MACD, I believe today or tomorrow we're going to do a bullish crossover. Actually, maybe, no, we didn't do it yet. We're just touching. And then the RSI, we're at 61.7. So we can, we have enough indicators value to reach higher prices. So this should be it should be able to reach this level. But let's also remember that as usual, a wave 5, it just has to do a higher high of the wave 3. So we technically already completed, and we also tested this previous resistance. As you see, it was here. But I really believe that this time Bitcoin is going to go here, and then after that we'll have the chance to accumulate more. For sure, it's going to make a correction of all this movement, and now this wave 2 I believe is not accurate anymore, because we reach higher prices, and after it has to be determined if it wasn't just an A and a B and a C, because remember, as I told you, the C can go as high as even higher than 30,000 and still be bearish and reach lower prices. So we need to be aware of that. So that's why I'm saying, if you are in profit in Bitcoin, put a sell stop limit so you can secure your gains and enjoy lower prices, because for sure it has to go and make a wave 2. If this whole movement is a wave 1, we are going to make a pullback for sure. Alright, so this is all for today. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell if you enjoyed the video, and have a good day.